Hey everybody, Kendra and William here, and today we are at the Great Saltpetre Cave Preserve. You can see the seal behind us. And today, Kendra is recovering from a bit of laryngitis. She has a little bit of a voice that's a little bit raspy. She may not say anything. I don't know. We'll see how the day goes. But we're in Livingston, Kentucky, and we're gonna go hike to the Saltpetre Cave. It was discovered in the 1700s, and it was mined for the potassium nitrate, which was a main ingredient for gunpowder back in the early days before the War of 1812. So lots of information. It's a really cool cave. We've been here. It's been a long time, and we're pretty excited. So come along with us, and we'll see what we can see.
They do it free the weekend after Mother's Day.
Yes. So the third weekend of May, the weekend after Mother's Day, they do an open house. So it's free for you to come and enjoy the cave. It's a members only type of thing the rest of the year. So if you really enjoyed it, you could sign up and become a member. So like I said, come along with us. We'll see what we can see. Okay, down in this field is where they bring you to park. They have a little shelter over here. They're selling some wares, like crafted wares.
They also have free pinto beans and cornbread if you're...
Pinto beans and cornbread. There's a guano grill in there. You can purchase other types of food. We may check that out on our way out. We're going to bypass a little bit of the trail.
Yeah, I don't want to go down and go back up. And
We'll just jump into the trail right here, and off we go. Got some big railroad tie steps. It's already pretty steep. And if you know anything about Kentucky, it is full of caves. So this is just one of many cave systems in the area. Okay, so
it's their 34th annual.
34th annual, yes.
So he just signs us in.
So we came up the hill, got into the tent, we signed into the little book, and you can feel the nice cool air coming out of the Great Saltpetre Cave, which is right beyond that entryway right there. Does it feel good?
Very good.
Very good.
Always hot.
Always hot. We shouldn't be pushing you to talk, but... And we're just gonna wait up here. They're gonna send a group down in just a few moments, and we'll be on our way. And we are in the cave. That only took like 2 minutes at the most. It was really quick.
They said get on in here, and they're adding people to our group.
This cave was formed in limestone, and it was formed and the owner in 1966 he wanted to be able to easy access to make it easier for people to
Our tour guide told us this took about 15 years to dig out, and it took 70 people, and it was all part of the mining process to get that potassium nitrate we were talking about earlier.
Changing subject.
About the shape of the passage of this.
Going.
They were talking about how this is a silhouette that somewhat resembles Lincoln's profile. It's a bit of an imagination, but you know, it's still there. The cave is larger than I remember it being. What do you think?
It said like 30, 40 minutes.
30, 40 minutes? Okay.
But the other 2 times I've been here, I had kids with us.
Yes.
So I was watching them.
There's a lot of different rooms and stuff where they've been mining.
Have you noticed, Peter, next we have some fake rocks from the movie Fire Down Below. That was partially filmed inside this cave with Chris Christopherson, Steven Seagal, and Mark Heltenberger.
Fire Down
Chris
Below was partially filmed here.
Might have been in the cave. I know Steven's used for the boiling process of making saltpeter. Next we have a V vat. V as in the shape of the letter V. Vat is a container. So saltpeter was made very much the way we make coffee. The wine making technology that he was very, very familiar with, because he was a vintner as well as a surveyor. So, just like I said about the V-vat, they constructed this out of wood because wood was the primary resource that they had. There's a half pipe thing down at the bottom.
This little area here has crystals in it. Yeah, that doesn't work. Okay, so it has crystals in it, and they fall from the ceiling. There you can see them. Sparklies, yes. They were possibly magnesium salt. Is what the tour guide said they made. They spotted a little bat, that little black circle right in the middle of the screen. There's a bat.
Into outside to be able to broadcast.
He's sleeping.
Yeah.
So the cave is active with bats. They pointed out 2 different bats. But it's not the right time of year for the bats, so that's why they opened it up for us, so we don't disturb them.
Tell them they're headed to Signature Alley.
Yes, we're headed to Signature Alley, where there's a bunch of people that have signed the walls. We're not allowed to sign the walls because it is a historic thing. But here's one right here, looks like 1851. So lots of old stuff, 1966. So the limestone formations are really cool. Hello. how the water has carved out the holes and different stuff. Look, this is just big enough for.
On the left-hand side, yeah. No, I always thought those were Indian. They're kind of triangle shaped. Yeah, I always knew those were Indian.
The first person gonna let us know they're safe.
Definitely got to watch your head through here. Else you be
Right here, there's 3 of them.
having a little headache.
There's one low. This is really cool.
I think they might have called. They said we're gonna go through Pincham Tight
You
Alley.
know, back
I
when I
think this is
had
Batman
keys to the
Squeeze.
cave.
Yeah, she said
My dad
Pincham
passed
Tight,
away.
Batman Squeeze, you know, all that good
I
stuff.
locked myself in the cave with a case of beer and proceeded to have a few alcoholic beverages. And
It's plenty
had the
wide,
lights
yes.
turned off, and we walked the cave with different colored lights. And,
Or
I found a etching of
little round
a
stones.
3-mast sailboat.
I'm sure Kendra hates that because she hates walking on stuff like that.
That if I hadn't had a
How do you
red
feel
light,
about the
I would
floor?
have never found it.
Yeah.
Yuck. Still got lots of signatures and stuff. I don't know if it's gonna get any tighter. Oh, that looks really cool up there. Lots of stuff. I fell behind. U.S. Army Corps. Down the steps. And there's a log bridge. Can't make out any dates on these things.
Bridges get kisses.
Oh, 1876.
I love these lines.
Oh yeah, the lines are really cool.
Here, there are 2 more.
So many lines. It's really cool.
That might be his indication.
I hear some metallic clinking. Don't know what it is. Oh, Kendra's taking pictures.
I've always missed all these down here, so
There's one right here too. Flash one.
Busy and spider.
What, a little bitty spider? Okay.
I got to sneeze.
Okay.
I think that's a cave cricket.
All right.
There's 2 of them. See the other one there.
That's what I said, a cave cricket. Instead of a spider.
Yes, those are cave crickets.
Cave crickets?
Yeah, way up there. Cave crickets.
Oh, way up there. Spelunking caves.
Oh gosh, look, there's places where you could definitely hit your head. Oh,
There's some sliders. Here you go, dude.
Cave crickets.
Are those
Yeah, those are all crickets. Even like the little black ones to the side, the big ones, the long legs.
Loads of them.
Big guys.
Yeah. Cave crickets.
They jump too.
Got ones that look an awful lot like that in my crawl space, and I don't like them.
Yeah, crawl spaces would definitely get cave crickets too. Short pause to let people take pictures. And
Okay, here's the skinnies.
this winding, narrow paths.
Okay,
Oh yeah.
this is what I remember.
I don't remember this at all.
That guy in the backpack ain't making it through here. He's gonna have to take it down.
Not too bad, not too bad. We've had worse. Oh.
Oh, it's fake.
That's
I was like,
hilarious,
that
huh?
I was like, that
Is he
can't be real.
I
Yeah.
love it. You see
You
it?
know, without a light on it, it's just, I just saw the
Yeah.
silhouette.
Oh.
He's kind of gnarly.
That's hilarious. And we have made it to the exit.
Yay!
Good job, everybody. Well, we hope you had some fun.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
Yes. And we enjoyed our time at the Great Saltpetre Cave. We've been here before. It was good enough to come back. I think we might go check out the Guano Grill. And don't forget to come back next Saturday.
We're going to Rome.
Yes, big new adventure. So be sure to come back Saturday, check that out, and we'll see you next time.